So the next interpellator is Congressman Caraps Paduano.
Thank you, Chairman. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, before I proceed with Ms. Aka Alice Go, I will direct my question to Ms. Cassandra Ong. Ms. Cassandra, during the previous hearing, when you were asked by the members of this committee about your educational attainment, sabi mo po nag-ALS ka, di ba? Yung nag-ALS ka, tama?
Opo.
Anong taon yun nag-ALS ka? Huwag mo sabihin na you double check naman. Pwede ba makalimutan mo kung nag-ALS ka, wala? At saka anong taon?
2016.
2016?
Hindi ko po sigurado kung ano yung exact year. 2017.
How old are you now?
24 po.
Oh, that is 8 years ago. So you're 16 years old the time. Na nag-ALS ka?
Around 16, 17 yata.
Okay. What school?
I forgot na, Mr. Chair.
Oh,
Public school po siya.
ha?
Public school
Anong school
po.
nga?
Hindi ko po...
Ay, Mr. Chairman,
maalala.
again, Cassandra Ong is lying. Pwede ba yun? Na hindi mo alam kung saan school ka na-enroll for the ALS? Oh. Baka hindi ka nag-ALS. Baka sa ibang bansa ka nag-aral.
Pwede po magsabi.
Yes.
Mr. Chair, hindi po. Nag-ALS po ako. It's parang ilang beses lang po ako pumasok. Pero around like sa...
Sabi mo, nag-ALS ka, tapos ngayon, ilang beses ka lang pumasok. Tinatanong kita ngayon kung anong school. Ay, bakit incriminating ba yung tanong ko?
Hindi po,
Oh.
Mr. Chair. Hindi ko lang po sigurado kung ano ang pangalan ng school.
Ay, pwede ba yun? You're lying. You're lying, Ms. Cassandra Ong. Remember, you're now cited, previously you're cited in contempt, and I will once again cite you in contempt for lying. Hindi mo alam school? Kasi alam ko na hindi mo sasagutin kasi yung next question is, papakuha ko yung record mo kaagad-agad. Alam mo na yun, kaya hindi mo sasagutin. Oh.
Hindi po, Mr. Chair. Hindi ko lang po talaga matandaan.
Hindi nga eh. Kahit sinong tanungin mo dito,
Mr.
alam
Chair.
nila kung saan sila nag-elementary, saan sila nag-high school, saan sila nag-aral.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Chairman Akop.
with your indulgence. With your indulgence, Mr. Chair.
I yield my time to,
No, I just want to ask Miss Ong. Ako po yung matanda na eh, pero alam ko pa rin kung saan ako nag-graduate ng elementary school. Alam ko rin kung anong buwan at taon ako kinasal. Tapos ikaw, batang-bata ka pa, hindi mo alam kung saan ka nagtapos. Anak ng tinapay naman, oo. Ay, mapipilitan akong i-second yung susunod ni Honorable Paduano.
Oh, Ms. Cassandra Ong.
I-double check ko lang po.
Oh, yun,
right
hindi, I will not accept that answer of yours.
But,
eto, yung mamamayan na nanonood sa atin. Lahat dito nandito. Alam nyo kung saan kayo nag-graduate elementary, di ba? Alam nyo kung saan kayo nag-graduate high school? Alam nyo kung nag-ALS kayo, saan kayo nag-ALS?
Ako alam ko, Mr. Chair.
O, alam mo,
ko.
di ba? O, hindi naman, may edad lang, pero hindi matanda. Si Chairman Abante, alam niya. Why you're asking your lawyer? Bakit mo ba check? Hindi, Mr. Chairman. Isang tanong pa lang to. Ms. Alice Go, ang dami, Cassandra Ong, ang dami pa akong tatanungin sa iyo. But, Mr. Chairman, with that, once again, I move to cite in contempt Ms. Cassandra Ong for not answering the question of this representation in violation of our internal rules, Section 11, Paragraph C of our internal rules.
Second. Ako.
There's a motion to cite in contempt Ms. Cassandra Leong for violating Section 11, Paragraph C of the Rules of the House. Any second? Duly seconded. Any objections? No objections. The motion is approved.